Good morning everyone. Today I would like to discuss how I identify and trade weak stocks just before the market close. Yesterday, 9th of January 2025, I traded a stock called Sana, S-A-N-A. During the day, it showed a significant strength. However, as many of you know, there is a certain stocks that the larger trader, or they call them a big dogs, prefer not to hold overnight. These traders who manage substantial funds typically buy and sell stocks multiple of times during the day, creating high volatility. With Sana, I noticed pattern of consistent fluctuation throughout the day, up and down, which is hallmark of volatile stock. It keep in my radar, patiently waiting for the right moment to trade. I use level 3 market data to monitor the stock closely, particularly watching the large volume breaking keys level. Once the stock hit my target, I enter the target. After quick pullback, I exit locking in my profit. I have recorded this trade and will now show you the video to provide more clarity on how I identified the opportunity and execute the trade. Stay tuned for more insights into how to trade such stock efficiently. I traded with minimum shares, 1000 shares, to minimize the risk, especially as it was just a 10 minutes before the market close. My target was 20 cent gain per share and I executed with $140 profit, adding to my total daily earning $43,000. This type of stock movement is common, especially when the stock is up 160% during the day. Big buyers typically exit their trades by the ending of the day, driving these patterns. During the pre-market, SANA showed strong upward movement, but also faced sharp pullback throughout in the day. This kind of manipulation, driven by a large player buying and selling repeatedly, creating opportunities for skilled traders. In my trade, I was wait until just before the market closed, identifying the seller were dominating and the buyer had lost of interest. As the stock broke down, I entered the trade, managed my risk, and executed profitably on the first green candlestick pullback.